So I picked up this Kodak EC300, a compact point and shoot film camera. It's in very good condition for its age. The body is clean, the lens looks clear, and the mechanics feel smooth. It's a very simple camera, no complicated menus, just a straightforward design made for everyday snapshots. It runs on two AA batteries, which power the motor and were also meant to drive the flash. One thing that doesn't seem to work is the built-in flash. Even after putting fresh batteries, it won't fire. Everything else on the camera responds fine though. Apart from the flash, it seems to work fine. I'll see if I can get the flash working.